Today's Wink of the Week, Paul Clark and his YouTube channel. So please take advantage of the Wink of the Weeks because I think they're a great feature. Give me, likes if you agree. Subscribe if you want to see more of them in the future. It does help the channel, and I do appreciate that. And if you have any ideas for other people, places, or things I should feature in the Wink of the Week that would help others out, let me know, and I'll go look at it and potentially feature it. All right, so Paul Clark, he is an artist and a teacher of watercolor in the UK. So I found his site and started to do some of his tutorials. I'll look at this, what he all has for different things. I'm not going to go through all the details, right? But lots of different things, watercolor, color theory, which is great, a full guide on the best brushes, right? So, and I've done some of these 5-minute watercolor tips, which aren't quite 5 minutes, but they're close. And some of them are really useful. And also just doing, watercolor guides in some of his tutorials and pieces, and things to try to help you out. So it's a really good site to build technique, right? There's a lot of information here. I haven't done anything in the inspirational series, I don't believe. No, but these are more like watercolor painting demonstrations, and I'm assuming paint along with. Having not done them, I don't really actually know, right? But anyways, so there you go. That's the quick wink. Paul Clark's website. I've found it really useful, and I would recommend you go check it out. Right? Thanks a lot again, and we'll see you the next time.